Morning everyone, I've just done everybody's favourite job and emptied the toilet cassette. I guess it's only upwards from here really for today. Look at the cracking weather. Now we're having our breakfast outside again. Can't get enough of this fantastic view, eh? What a beautiful view. Well, Nicky's doing a bit of a roundup in the van this morning, but our plan, once she's finished that, is to have a bit of a bike ride to a place called Dale Abbey. We're now walking up to find the remains of the Priory and the Hermitage, hopefully. This is a nice path. Bit steep in parts though. There's some horses in the field down there. And there's a Nicky galloping through the woods. There we go, there's the Hermitage up there. There we go, this is the Hermitage. Carved into the rocks here. The Hermitage is said to have been dug around 1130. That's the year 1130, of course, not just before lunch. By a Derby baker who had a dream where the Virgin Mary told him to do it. The last dream I had was that I was out in space with a flock of ducks that were all wearing little astronauts' helmets. I wonder if you could find any witch marks in here. There are a few V's and W's, but it's kind of hard to tell how old they are. The hermit lived in the cave until 1150, when he moved down the hill and built an oratory at the local church. There you go, there's the remains of the old priory. Not a great deal left of it really, is there? Still quite impressive. Also a rather nice windmill over there in the distance, look. Mind you, Nikki's off. I think she got the scent of lunch in her nostrils. Got some crab. Blimey, look what I've found. It's a tunnel. Whoa! I reckon this must be part of an old railway. Look at that, look. What was that? There's an owl. Oh, that was a pretty decent find. Right, I better get back and find Nikki. She's shot off ahead on the bike. Anyway, back through this tunnel. How splendid is this? Oh, it's a bit of a scramble to get back out. It's a bit low. I think I might be getting a bit grubby. I'm glad I spotted that by the side of the road. Excellent. Looking at this map from 1899, you can see a tramway in the area, which I think this tunnel must be associated with. The tunnel I found is in the area of this red circle. It looks like the tramway runs between the sand pit, where the woods now are, to the colliery here. The colliery worked the Kilburn seam and was known as the treacle mine as the coal was very tarry. Worked from a drift, in 1896 employed 80 men underground and 30 on the surface. It had closed by 1921. Oh, well, we're back at the van and it's definitely time for a bit of a brew. Cheers! Ow! Oh, Nikki's just fallen over. Also got some of me chocolate Easter bunny that me mum bought me. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.